Writing a business plan can be a daunting task, but it is a critical step in starting and growing a successful business. Here are the basic steps for writing a business plan. The executive summary provides a brief overview of the entire business plan and should be written last. It should include the business concept, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and management team. Business description. This section provides a detailed description of the business, including the products or services offered, the target market, and the competitive landscape. It should also describe the organizational structure, management team, and key personnel involved in the business. Market analysis. The market analysis section should provide detailed information about the target market, including demographic information, market size, and trends. This section should also analyze the competition and identify the strengths and weaknesses of each competitor. The marketing strategy section should outline the tactics and activities that the business will use to reach its target market. It should include information on the marketing mix, such as product, price, promotion, and place. It should also include information on how the business will differentiate itself from the competition and build brand awareness. The financial projections section should include detailed financial statements, such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. The financial projections should be based on realistic assumptions and should demonstrate how the business will generate revenue and manage expenses. The management and operations section should outline the structure and management of the business. It should include information on the legal structure of the business, the management team, and the key personnel involved. This section should also describe the operations of the business, including the supply chain, production processes, and inventory management. The risk management section should identify the potential risks and challenges that the business may face and outline strategies to mitigate those risks. It should include an analysis of the internal and external risks, such as competition, regulatory changes, and supply chain disruptions. Funding request. If you are seeking funding for your business, you will need to include a funding request section in your business plan. This section should outline the amount of funding you are seeking, how the funds will be used, and the potential return on investment for investors. Appendices. The appendices section should include any additional information that supports your business plan, such as market research reports, financial statements, or legal documents. When writing your business plan, keep in mind the audience you are writing for. If you are seeking funding, your plan will need to be more detailed and include more financial projections. If you are using your business plan as a roadmap for your own business, focus on providing clear and concise information that will help guide your decision-making. There are also many resources available online to help you write a business plan, such as the Small Business Administration's Business Plan Tool, which provides step-by-step guidance on creating a business plan. Additionally, there are many templates and examples available online that can help you get started. However, it's important to tailor your business plan to your specific business and industry, rather than relying solely on a template or example. To write a business plan, start by creating an outline of the above sections. Then, research and gather information to fill in each section. Be sure to use clear, concise language and provide supporting data and analysis to back up your projections and assumptions. Finally, review and revise your business plan regularly to ensure it stays up to date and relevant to your business.